Hi, I'm Andrew Edwards, and you're watching Technically Speaking, brought to you by National Car Rental. Each episode, I'm going to show you the hottest tech in one of three very important categories: speed, choice, and control. So whether you're on the road, at work, or at home, these gadgets are going to make your life that much easier. Let's get to it. Did you know a cell phone has 18 times more bacteria than a public bathroom? We wash our hands multiple times a day, but how many times do you wash your phone? PhoneSoap is here to help you fight germs and sickness while you're on the road. The device kills 99.9% of the germs living on your phone through UVC light. Simply place your phone in the device. You don't even have to take off your case. And in just 10 minutes, PhoneSoap kills the microorganisms hiding in every crevice. You can choose from a variety of colors and sizes to personalize it to your style. This is my top tech pick this week. I'm Andrew Edwards, and I'll catch you in the next one.